Can't find the reason the drilling rig is collapsed. We are counting the people on drilling rig.
What's happening? Are you okay?
I'm fine, maybe just a bit sick. Luckily, I took my days off before the drilling rig disaster, so I'm still alive.
You should sleep. I'll bring you a glass of water.
About my days off, don't tell anyone. I only believe in you.
It's confirmed that 3 people left drilling rig before the disaster. 2 people are found to be infected with a strange virus. Causes the body to be pale and skinny, usually coughed blood and organ debris. Anyone that know about the 3rd person, please report.